Welcome to my channel MHN Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background within scope of menus, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. Important to know creation some footage as requires some files plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easy. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. I won't give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. On my second channel MHN Footage, you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.